I was definitely driven more from the financial aspect of having solar. You know, we live in a little bit of an older house, so it's not super energy efficient. We have a pool, and I just got tired of seeing the bills that we were getting. They were just so high. You know, there are so many people offering solar right now. You go to the grocery store and on your way out, they offer to sell you solar. So I talked to a few different people. I had some good friends who had used Peak Power USA, and so they kind of turned me on to that. And so I reached out to them, and that's how it all started. The sales process actually went really smooth. And you know, I tend to not really like high pressure sales at all. When Peak Power came over, they came to my house. They were able to show me how exactly the panels were going to look on my roof, how many panels we needed. And then they also provided me with all of the financials, which is really important to me, showing, okay, how long is it going to take for me to make my money back on this? How does the tax credit work? And having someone who could walk me through all of that made the process incredibly smooth and easy. The financial return has been exactly what I was hoping for, which it essentially has eliminated my PG&E bill. And that's in the summer as well as in the winter. I don't even think about my utility bill anymore. You know, as a business owner in Bakersfield, I've learned how important it is to work with people that you can trust. And Peak Power USA, they are people that I can trust. And that is a company that I would highly recommend. Anybody who's interested in solar, they want to cut the bill down, you're going with a local company and a company that does what they say they're going to do.